As a professional graphic designer, it can be frustrating when you're unable to find new projects. Here are some tips that may help. Build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your chance to showcase your best work and make a strong impression on potential clients. Make sure your portfolio is up to date and includes a variety of projects that demonstrate your skills and expertise. Network, attend industry events and conferences, connect with other designers online, and join local professional organizations. Building relationships with other professionals in your field can lead to new opportunities and referrals. Leverage social media. Share your work on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Use relevant hashtags and engage with other designers and potential clients in your industry. Offer pro bono work. Consider doing pro bono work for a nonprofit or charity that aligns with your values. This can help you build your portfolio and gain exposure to potential clients. Reach out to previous clients, follow up with past clients, and ask if they have any upcoming projects or if they know of anyone who might need your services. Specialize in a niche. Consider specializing in a specific niche or industry, such as healthcare or real estate. This can help you stand out in a crowded market and position yourself as an expert in your field. By implementing these tips, you can increase your visibility and improve your chances of finding new clients as a professional graphic designer.